Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and today we are going to take a look at the new Omen 16 gaming laptop and even get a quick hands-on with Omen's new 25i gaming monitor. Big thanks to Omen for sponsoring this video and sending us the laptop and monitor for us to check out. Now the configuration will vary, however, you can get up to an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX processor and AMD Radeon RX 6600M graphics. With that processor and dedicated graphics card, you get a lot of power in this gaming laptop. So let's go ahead and get some hands-on with the new Omen 16 and maybe even play some games as well. Let's get started. Let's begin with design of the Omen 16. Very sleek look to it. Up at the top, it says Omen, and that logo is reflective and multicolored. Really cool. Not too flashy, just a smaller logo up at the top. I really like it. I also really like the brush design of the sides of the laptop and of course the ports that they included. It's very rare to get just about every port that I want in a laptop. Along the left side, you have your power slot, an Ethernet port, USB Type-A slot, a mini display port, HDMI port, and a Thunderbolt USB Type-C port with that headphone jack and fantastic, an SD card. So when I do my video editing, I can just take my SD card out of my camera and put it directly into my laptop, no dongles needed. And then along the right side, you have some ventilation and two more USB Type-A ports. Now the size of the SSD and the amount of RAM that you get in this laptop will vary depending on the model that you get. However, there is single panel access to the SSD and the RAM. So if you'd like to expand it in the future, that is definitely a capability the Omen 16 has. And like in all of my laptop hands-on videos, I have to do a one-handed opening test with the Omen 16 flat on my desk using one hand, and it passed it. Very easy, as expected. Now, Omen has a new hinge design, and they're calling it a floating display, the way the screen sits above that laptop. And speaking of that 16.1-inch display, the bezels on the three sides are extremely narrow. And obviously, one of the most important things in a gaming laptop is the display, and the Omen 16 doesn't disappoint. You can get up to a 2K display and up to 165 hertz refresh rate. Again, if you haven't seen a higher refresh rate screen, you need to, especially if you play a lot of games like myself. The higher refresh rate is great when you're gaming, but also when I'm just using the laptop, scrolling through different pages. Everything overall looks just much smoother and makes the laptop feel even snappier than it already is. The keyboard is fully backlit, and you can even customize the colors behind them. And of course, here's just a quick typing test so you get the sound out of it. This keyboard is actually very satisfying to type on. Now the trackpad that they've included in this laptop, I really like. It's a little bit larger and has a tighter response than other laptops that I've used. It makes it really easy to navigate across that 16.1-inch display and use the Windows gestures. Inside the Omen 16, you have Wi-Fi 6E capabilities, which really does future-proof this laptop, giving you lower latency and just faster Wi-Fi speeds overall. And speaking of faster speeds, let's talk about the performance of this gaming laptop. And for me, I play a lot of higher end games, faster paced games that are more graphically intensive. So for me, I need a higher performing gaming laptop. The Omen 16 has done very well playing the games that I like to play consistently, especially the higher end ones and even the lower end games. You get very consistent frame rates and high frame rates as well. Now, especially when I'm playing those higher end games, those first person shooters, consistent frame rates are extremely important. And when you couple it with a higher refresh rate that this laptop has, the performance has been fantastic. In terms of battery life, Omen says you can get up to 9 hours for those extended gaming sessions, and with the Omen Gaming Hub, you can really customize your experience. The Omen Gaming Hub has a lot of features like rewards, a gallery to customize your desktop, even coaching to help you get better, remote play, and it puts all of your games in one place. You can see how long you play each one. And as I mentioned, that backlighting to the keyboard is completely customizable. A ton of different settings. You can segment each part of the keyboard, change the color. You can change the animation and effect of that coloring. There's a lot you can do with it. I did promise a quick look at the Omen 25i gaming monitor. With the Omen 16 laptop, I can game on the go, but sometimes maybe I want 2 displays or even just a larger display for more screen real estate to get some multitasking done. The Omen 25i is a 25-inch 1080p monitor with a 165 hertz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, so it's perfect for gaming. Now, all of your games will look very smooth because it has AMD FreeSync Premium Pro compatibility. This is an IPS display, which I prefer in my monitors because of the color reproduction. This has 90% DCI-P3 color gamut and is also certified for HDR 400. The Omen 25i even has a blue light filter that doesn't affect the color accuracy, especially for those long gaming sessions to ease up some strain on the eyes. And since it has that 165 hertz refresh rate, it's very easy to go back and forth between the Omen 16 and Omen 25i, a great combo. Now to wrap everything up, I've been impressed with the new Omen 16 laptop, especially with how much power it actually has, coupled with that higher refresh rate display and just overall sleek design. It is fairly slim considering it is a 16.1 inch display. And since it features Wi-Fi 6E and has the expansion capabilities for the storage and the RAM, it really does future-proof these gaming laptops so you can continue to game longer than others. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.